Friends, if you're planning to buy an air fryer under 10,000 rupees for home use in India in 2026, congratulations. You're stepping into the quality plus comfort zone. In this category, a buyer doesn't just want a machine, they want a reliable kitchen partner that can cook food crispy, tasty, evenly, and healthy with very little oil. The market is full of options, but the challenge is picking the right one. In offline stores, salesmen tell different stories for every model. Online, every brand claims to be the best. And first-time buyers often choose by looks or random discounts, which later turns into regret. So today's video is all about giving you a real, smart, practical buying guide so you can choose confidently without getting influenced. Premium buyers always check the balance between performance, safety, silence, smart controls, durable materials, and easy cleaning. And by the end of this video, one model will be locked in your mind. Yes, this is the one for my home. That's a promise. Now, without any delay, let's jump into our top 5 best air fryers for home use in India, tested on capacity, power, and long-term durability. In our list at number 5, we have Philips HD 9200. A simple, strong, trusted home fryer. The outer body is high-temperature PP plastic, safe for long heating. The internal coil frame housing is stainless steel protected, preventing rust. The basket is aluminum with thick non-stick coating, durable for daily cleaning. With 1400 watt power and rapid air technology, it gives good crisping for small to medium families. You can grab it around 6,000 rupees approx, and it comes with 2-year plus 1-year additional warranty. So if you want brand trust plus easy daily cooking plus durable build, this is a sensible entry in the top 5. At number 4, we have Inalsa Aerocrisp, an oven-style jumbo fryer for bigger cooking lovers. The body is full stainless steel, which makes it one of the strongest and rust-free builds in this segment. The internal trays, mesh, and heating chamber walls are also food-grade stainless steel, which reflects heat better and improves crisping. The frying tray uses ceramic reinforced non-stick coating, which is safer and thicker than regular Teflon. This fryer runs on 1700 watt power, 12-in-1 cooking presets, and also includes rotisserie plus convection plus dehydrate plus grill plus bake plus reheat options. The accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleaning super comfortable. You can grab this at approx 9,000 rupees during offers. Original MRP 9,600 rupees approx. It comes with a 2-year warranty, making it a heavy-duty, long-lasting home option. So if you want oven size plus full steel durability plus multi-cooking, this is a premium large family kitchen machine. At number 3, we have Cosori, known for its balanced performance and premium material layering. The outer body is made of thick, impact-resistant ABS plastic, which is heat-stable and fade-resistant. The inner heating chamber uses 304 food-grade stainless steel, improving durability and safety. The basket is high-density aluminum with 5-layer non-stick coating, which is stronger than standard coating layers in this segment. It comes with 1500 watt fast cooking, 360-degree air circulation, 9 preset modes, and a 30-recipe beginner cookbook, making it ideal for first-time home chefs who love experimenting. This model often sells around 10,000 rupees to 11,000 rupees. Cosori provides a 2-year warranty, which is impressive in this segment. So if you want a premium touch panel, strong ABS plus steel frame durability, and a family batch size, this is a smart home pick. At number 2, we have Philips HD 9252, one of the most trusted home use fryers in India. The outer body is made of high temperature polypropylene, PP, which is fume-free and durable. The inner heating coil frame and chamber are stainless steel protected, ensuring no rust or oxidation. The basket is premium anodized aluminum with thick non-stick Teflon coating, built for daily washing cycles without peeling. With 1500 watt power and rapid air technology, it gives strong, even cooking with crispy results. You also get 7 preset menus, making it extremely easy to operate. Just tap a button and cook fries, bake, grill, roast, or reheat. This model is available around 8,000 rupees during offers. Original MRP 9,400 rupees approx. Philips also adds 1 extra year warranty, meaning total 2-year plus 1-year additional warranty, making it a great long-term trust option. So if you want silent, beginner-friendly, trusted brand and durable steel frame support, this is a smart premium home choice under 10,000 rupees during deals. Number 1 on our list is Instant Pot Vortex 6 Liter, a powerful, family-friendly 360-degree crisping champion. The outer body is made of premium heat-resistant polymer, which is safe, sturdy, and odor-free even at high temperatures. The internal air circulation chamber frame is built with 304 food-grade stainless steel, making it rust-proof and long-lasting. The 6-liter basket uses high-quality die-cast aluminum with thick non-stick coating, which resists scratches and peeling during daily cleaning. With 1500-watt power and 360-degree even crisp technology, it heats quickly, circulates air strongly, and delivers crispy golden brown food evenly. This model works as a 6-in-1 appliance: air fry, roast, grill, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, covering everything from snacks to full meals. The touch panel is smooth and responsive, perfect for both beginners and experienced home cooks. The price range varies, and right now it is available around 11,700 rupees approx. But many buyers grab it approx 11,000 rupees depending on offers. The product also comes with a 1-year brand warranty, which adds peace of mind for long-term use. So if you want big capacity, safe steel internals, strong heating, and long-lasting materials, this is the best overall premium pick for Indian homes. Friends, these were our top 5 best air fryers for home under 10,000 rupees smart buyer category. Buying an air fryer today is not just about healthy food. It's about a smart kitchen lifestyle upgrade where taste, convenience, safety, silence, and durability matter the most. If you want a personal recommendation based on your family size or cooking style, just write it in the comment box. I read every one and reply honestly. And yes, all the best price plus discount plus buying links are available in the video description below. Don't forget to check them before buying. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to Best Picks India for more smart and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you in the next video with another amazing gadget. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.